it's okay to be wet?
Yeah. As long as you don't get any water in the intake, it's fine. Should be fine. Okay, so on the way back up, you see that little on the left-hand side where there's not really a ridge? That's going to be your line, okay? Congratulations, your first water crossing.
Not as hard as I thought.
No, turn around, turn around, turn around. Turn around. Much too steep, turn around.
Anyways, that was a good turn right there. So.
Yeah, that leads up to there. Now let's just go back to the other place. We did our exploring.
What do you mean by other place?
The actual place.
Oh, okay.
That was a fun little fucking water crossing, actually.
That's gonna be hard coming back though, because you have to really pick your heart. Maybe I might slip out.
It's okay, if you slip out, it's fine. These are dirt bikes, they're kind of made to be thrown around a little bit. Back up yours. Hopefully my dad doesn't get mad that I took his bike through a water crossing.
That's what I said, I was like, are you sure about this?
That got quite deep, actually.
It's deeper than it looks.
It does. It is.
Yeah, you got dirt on your tag.
I don't care.
You got dirt.
I don't care.
You don't want to lose privilege, right?
Okay. So I'm gonna lead, just kind of follow me, okay? Oh. Come on, Chris! Come on. Get over here. Yeah, I could use a second pair of hands. Sure. Thanks.
You couldn't. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Oh, I need to hold the clutch in. Thank you, kind sir.
Sure.
Have a good day.
I like the R's.
Yeah, this is actually my dad's. Come on. Go over there. Go over there. Am I still recording? Was it a soft fall? Yeah. Okay. Nice and easy all the way back. Okay. One person, I think.
Yeah, on a black bike?
I think KTM kickstart.
Yeah.
Yeah, he helped me get my bike up off the river crossing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Coming?
I don't know. He left before we took off.
You went the wrong way then. Go ahead, man.
Thanks. Yeah.
What'd you do?
Just right where we were. love with this bike. Oh.
I keep forgetting that your gas. You need to give more. I'm afraid that I might go a little too much. I just follow you or what? Do whatever?
Yeah. Just don't crash into each other.